Yay, I have pre-sprouts coming up. Pre-sprout ranunculus in these trays. You see them all pre-sprouting. These are ranunculus corms. Soak them for 4 hours. Put some potting soil in these shallow trays. After you've soaked them, lay them out in the tray, cover them with a little bit more potting soil, water lightly, put them under a grow light or outside where they will not receive any more water, and let them pre-sprout. These are 10 days and I've got pre-sprouts. So they will be ready to either go in the ground, under hoops, or in my crates, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so we're back out and I'm going to show you what these pre-sprouted ranunculus look like in crates. The crates have potting soil in them, and I've amended the crates and the potting soil with a 10-10-10 slow release fertilizer and a little bit of bone meal. These were pre-sprouted for 10 days and they have been in these crates for another week, I think. So let me show you what they look like. They look fabulous. Okay, here they are. These are a week old after pre-sprout. So these ranunculus are now 3 weeks old total. They've been in these crates for a week. They were in the trays for about 2 weeks. So now I will just grow these out and protect them through the winter. I will carry these crates inside when the temperatures fall below 28. Yay! So isn't that fabulous? Anyone can grow ranunculus. They just have to be pre-sprouted is the best way to do it. I also soaked mine for 4 hours and I've put them in the ground, which I'm going to show you next on that one. That way you can decide on which way is going to be easiest for you. A lot of flower farmers also, when they put them in the crates like this, instead of moving them in the barn, I don't have that many crates, so I'm okay with picking them up and moving them in. But when you have hundreds of crates like this, they will build hoop houses or even small hoop houses and just keep them warm under there and control the climate a little bit better so they don't have to move the crates around. But next I'm going to show you soaking the corms for 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours, and just putting them straight into the ground. And let me show you what we got with that. Okay, so now I'm in my west peony field, and this is where I'm going to put 100 ranunculus corms, or actually I did. And in a previous video on YouTube, I show how I soaked the corms for 4 to 6 hours and plumped them up with water. And I brought them straight to the field, no pre-sprouting. I put them 2 inches deep into the ground. And let me show you what we have after 10 days. It's beautiful. Look at all the ranunculus babies. These are the LaBelle Series Champagne and LaBelle Series Salmon. There you go. Put them 2 inches deep after being soaked for 4 to 6 hours. Water well and wait.